Hello, my name is Faris and you join me here at the VW Van Centre in Birmingham. Today I'm going to be taking you around this approved used Volkswagen T32 Transporter Sportline Black Edition panel van. This vehicle comes with a 2-litre bi-turbo diesel engine pushing out 204 PS. This is accompanied by a 7-speed DSG automatic transmission. This example comes finished in the solid paint colour pure grey. Taking a look at some of the exterior features now, across the front of the vehicle, it features a set of LED headlamps with LED daytime driving lights. In the front bumper, we'll notice a red contrasting stripe, and across the lower portion of the front bumper it comes enhanced, as well as having some high gloss black inserts. There's also a set of front parking sensors, as well as front fog lamps with a cornering function. Down below and across all four wheels we'll find a set of 18-inch Sportline gloss black alloy wheels that come in a multi-spoke design. On either side of the van we do have a set of black sports styling bars, as well as some black edition decaling across the vehicle. Towards the rear of the van we'll notice a rear roof spoiler. The van comes with a tailgate without a window. Across the tailgate we'll have some Sportline and Transporter badging, and located just above the rear number plate is a rear view reversing camera. Dotted along the rear bumper is also a set of rear parking sensors, helping you when parking and manoeuvring, and the van also features a removable as well as lockable tow bar. Taking a look behind the tailgate and into the boot space or load area of the vehicle, it comes with the plush rubber floor covering, as well as having multiple latching points dotted throughout the load area floor. Access into the load area can also be found on the passenger side of the vehicle through a single sliding side load door. A full steel black bulkhead separates the load area from the cab, and there's also a step behind the sliding door allowing easy access into and out of the vehicle. Up front in the driver's cab we have two singular seats, both with two armrests each. These luxurious seats come finished in the Napa leather and an Alcantara combination with some red contrast stitching and some Sportline lettering. Throughout the rest of the cab we'll also have a set of Sportline floor mats, and in the form of entertainment in the centre of the dash we'll find an 8-inch colour touchscreen multimedia system. This system allows users to access all their favourite radio stations, as well as utilise the App Connect feature, which allows you to connect your smartphone device to the vehicle using Apple CarPlay or Android Auto. This system also comes with the inbuilt Discover Media navigation, which includes streaming and internet. You can keep your eyes more focused on the road thanks to the digital cockpit system, which allows navigation to also be displayed there. Once reverse gear has been selected, the rear view camera feed will display on the colour touchscreen. Just beneath the infotainment system we'll find the climate controls for the vehicle. The van comes with two front heated seats as well as climatic air conditioning. Further down and to the left we'll find a 12V and two USB Type-C charging points, handy for keeping those smart devices charged. That will conclude this 360 walk around of this approved used VW Transporter Sportline Black Edition panel van. Thank you very much for watching and goodbye.